Ciao amici, I'm Chef Leo, and today I want to talk to you specifically about pizza pans. In Chicago, where I'm from, we make this pizza called either a deep dish or a stuffed pizza. Back in the day, our pans looked like this. These are like very old. They look like old cast iron skillets. These pans, this one in particular is probably about 50 years old, and they survive forever with just a little bit of maintenance. Inside, these are very heavy. They're called tin on steel pans. We love a steel pan because they conduct heat very well. So even on the sidewalls, when we have a 2-inch thick pizza, this pizza cooks on the sides, on the bottom, and we get a beautiful golden result. These pans are not very easy to find anymore, but what we do find today is things like this. These are called hard-coated anodized pans. This is a different coating, so it doesn't need that seasoning like these do. This one in particular is a company called Lloyd Pans. They're out of the West Coast. Look them up online. I hope you learned something. Ciao!